This is a newly launched platform that you can actually take advantage of right now. If I go to withdraw right here, if I go to withdrawal history here, this is withdrawal history, and click on it. All right, so you will see that I have actually cashed out 15,000 naira right here. As you can see the status here, which is paid, right? It is paid. If you look here, you see the actual amount I received, which is 14,215 naira. That is after they took their withdrawal charges. So let me show you my account so that you see the money arrived in my account. So as you can see, this is the money I received, 14,250 naira, right? So with that being said, I'm going to show you how to register on this platform and what you can actually do on this platform to make money for yourself. If you want to sign up on this website and start making money for yourself, go to your browser and type in this URL on your screen right now, which is tinyurl.com/Coty money, right? So once you type it on your URL, it is going to take you to this page right here. So once you come down to this page, the first thing I'm going to do is to enter your phone number right here, right? Enter your phone number right here, then enter your password, the password you are going to be using to log into your account. Then under nickname, you are going to select a nickname for yourself, all right? So the next thing you are going to do is to come down to fund password and select your fund password. Make sure it is up to 6-digit number. Once you have filled in this information, just go ahead and click create account. Once you hit this button that says create account, your account will be created instantly, right? So let me log in and show you the inside of this platform. This is my account right here. If you look here, you see that I am still having balance of 536 naira right here, right? So once you log into your account, the first thing I recommend you do is to set up your bank account details for what? Withdrawal. So for you to do that, all you need to do is to go to account right here. If you look at the bottom right here, you're going to see account, right? So click on the account. So once you click the account, the page opens, then you scroll down. Once you click the account, the page is going to open, then you scroll down here and you click my bank cards right here, right? So once you click my bank cards, from there you can be able to set up your bank account details for withdrawal. So let me show you the plans you can actually invest on this platform and make daily incomes, right? So if I click on invest right here, all right, you are going to see different investment plans right here, right? So this first one here is the first VIP plan, right? And the price to invest on this is 3,815 naira, right? And this is your daily earnings, which is 3,119 naira, and it is going to run for 49 days, guys, right? So if I scroll down right here, you'll see more VIP plans, right? This one is 10,925 naira, and daily earnings is 9,180 naira, and it is going to last for 49 days, right? So from your end, you can actually go and check out these plans yourself and know the one you can actually go for, right? But as a start, you can go for the first plan just to check how this platform actually is, right? Now, for you to invest on this platform, you need to deposit money first, right? For you to deposit money, you have to keep in mind the plan you want to go for. For instance, if you want to go for this first VIP plan, which costs 3,850 naira, that means you are going to deposit 3,850 naira, right? So for you to deposit money, just go back to home page. All right, from the home page, you can see recharge button right here. This is recharge button. So click on recharge button and it is going to open the payments page, right? So from here, you can select the amount you want to recharge. The 3,850 naira is automatically selected for you right here. Once you come to the payment channel, just select any payment channel of your choice and you click confirm and pay. Once you hit this button, it is going to take you to a page where you are actually going to make your payment. And once your payment has been made successfully, it is going to reflect to your account, right? Once your payment is successful, you are going to see your money right here, right? Now, we are going to use it to buy a VIP plan. So to buy a plan, just go back to invest, right? Go back to invest right here. Once you click on invest, you go to the plan you want to invest. For instance, this plan right here, you click on invest, right, and confirm your investment. So that's it. That is how to invest on this platform. So once you invest on any plan, your earnings will be dropping automatically for you every 24 hours, right? So let me show you another way you can actually earn from this platform. So if I go to blog right here, this is blog. This is blog. If I click on it, from here you can earn. If you look here, you see share withdrawal proof, and you earn from 500 naira to 10,000 naira, right? So if you get paid, you can share your withdrawal proof, right? Let me show you example from here. If I scroll down here, you see this is actually my own, right? And this is my withdrawal record, right? So once you are going to share two screenshots, the one that actually show your withdrawal and your withdrawal record on Coty website, right? If you scroll down, you see other people that are actually what, making money and sharing their payment proof right here, right? So for you to share your own, just click on post right here, right? Once you click on post, so from this page, you can upload your two screenshots, and you can write anything you want to write here. Anything that shows that you have received your payment, you upload the first image here and the second image here, and you click post right here. Once you upload it, they will review it and credit you any amount from 500 naira to 10,000 naira. As you can see, it is as simple as that. So if you want to even make more money from this platform, you can take advantage of their referral program, right? So to copy your referral link, go back to home page. If you scroll down here, you'll see invite friends, earn forever, right? This is your referral link. Copy it and share it with your friends, and you earn even more money. So this is actually how this platform works. Before you put your money in this platform, I want to add a quick disclaimer right here. This is an investment platform, so ensure you make your own research before you join this platform, right? So guys, I've showed you exactly how this platform works, how to register, and how to make money from this platform. So if you want to join, go ahead, type this link on your browser and get registered today. See you in the inside.